So she's running. I had some help. God, I should know the name of the forum. I'll definitely plug the name of the forum down below. They helped me out a bit with this. So basically, I noticed this line was kinked. The original connection was just a straight. It was like a straight piece instead of a angle piece, and so the tube had a giant angle in it, which is like totally kinky. I don't know why that was like that from the factory. I doubt they tested it that much, I would think. But it works now. That's good. The idle might be a little high, but I don't know. I get the feeling I'd rather it be high idle than conk out. So I feel like if I put it any lower, it kind of sounds like it wants to conk out sometimes. So this is higher than they say, the 100 RPM. I'm sure that they wanted that for idle, but it sounds good to me. I don't want it to conk out on the road. A lot of hills around here too. Also, it appears that that plastic stuff on the muffler was definitely not supposed to stay on there. It's all melting off now, but whatever, it'll be, once it cools off, it'll crack right off of there.